Hey there, science fans. Have you ever seen a beefsteak tomato? They're huge. These tomatoes are not your average garden variety. Slicing one open is like revealing a juicy secret. But the real mystery lies in how these tomatoes get so big. The answer, my friends, is hidden deep within the plant's cells. You see, it all starts with stem cells. Plants, just like us, have stem cells. These amazing cells have the potential to become any type of cell in the plant's body. In tomatoes, stem cells in the meristem, the very tip of the growing plant, determine the size of the fruit. More stem cells mean more cells to build a bigger tomato. Now imagine a car engine. To control the engine's speed, you need an accelerator and a brake. Plant growth works in a similar way. The Wuschel gene acts like the accelerator, pushing the production of stem cells. But too much of a good thing can be a problem. That's where the clavata genes come in. These genes act like the brakes, keeping the Wuschel gene in check. They ensure that stem cell production is just right, not too fast, not too slow. Think of it like a delicate dance between these genes, ensuring the plant grows at a healthy pace. But what happens when the brakes fail? In the case of beefsteak tomatoes, a fascinating mutation occurred in a gene called clavata3. This gene creates a special protein, let's call it a key. This key is designed to fit into a lock on the surface of cells. When the key fits, it sends a signal to slow down the Wuschel gene, effectively pumping the brakes on stem cell production. However, the mutation in beefsteak tomatoes prevents this key from being made properly. Without the key, the lock can't be activated and the Wuschel gene keeps revving the engine. This leads to an abundance of stem cells and, you guessed it, giant tomatoes. The story gets even more interesting. It turns out that the clavata3 key needs a little something extra to work correctly: sugar molecules. These sugars, called arabinoses, are attached to the key like decorations on a cake. The number of sugars matters, too few, and the key doesn't fit the lock properly. This discovery is a game changer for plant breeders. By tweaking the clavata pathway, we can fine-tune the growth of plants, not just tomatoes. Imagine customizing the size and yield of crops to meet the world's growing food demands. The future of agriculture just got a whole lot sweeter.